Hello guys, welcome back to this channel and welcome to a new tutorial. So in this video, I will be teaching you how to create a professional brochure, how to create a professional flyer. So for that, I'll be using Canva site, okay? And those who is watching this video but doesn't have any Canva account, create now and enhance the amazing features in Canva. Okay. So let's get started. Alright, to create a flyer, I'll be going here, flyer. If you can't see the flyer option here, then just go to search content, search bar, and click and type flyer. Okay, then there will be a many templates there. Okay, so I'll just click flyer, and they have many templates. Alright. Take note, if it's showing like this RP, paid or pro, that means it's not free. But if there's no sign like this, like pro or R paid, it means it's free. Just like this one, like this one, like this one, it means these flyers are free. Now, if you want to create a blank flyer template, then you can simply click this template. Alright. So I'll just simply click from here. Now I will rename my design. So I'll just say flyer tutorial. And before creating a flyer, you need to keep in mind what are you making for, what's this topic, what's the subject, and what's the purpose. Alright. And colors is my subject will be gadgets. Alright. My theme will be gadgets. Okay. So first let me change this background color to bright one. I think orange will be fine. Alright, I think this color looks good. Alright, so now I'm gonna add one element. I'm gonna go to the element option, and I'm gonna go to lines and shape, and I'm gonna click circle. I'm gonna select this circle shape. Alright, now I'm gonna change the color to black and scale it big. Alright, and now I'm gonna add some elements. Okay, so if you're creating a flyer, most important is the logo. Keep mind of the logo. Alright, so I'm gonna add some elements. So this is blue blurred dot and round shadow. Alright, so I'm gonna take this 2 times. I'm just gonna duplicate like this, and I'm gonna scale it a little bit big. And I'm gonna just decrease the transparency. And now I'm gonna add another element which is called shadow. So I'm gonna go to my search bar, search elements. Make sure you're in the elements tab section. Okay, and I'm gonna click shadow. And this is fine. Alright. Okay. And now I'm gonna go to my uploads. So my topic, my theme is gadgets. So I'm gonna just choose this watch, Xiaomi Mi Band smartwatch. Alright, and I'm gonna rotate it like this. Make sure you play around to get a perfect result. Now before continuing, let me just show you, if you are choosing a theme, a subject like me, like gadgets, and you don't have any picture like this or like a phone, then simply go to the new tab. Okay, And example, me ban 7. For example, go to image section. There are bundles of examples, like we have pictures, lots of pictures with transparent background also. Example, you want to choose this one, or you want to choose this one, anything. And if you want, you can download it also, but I have just drag it. Alright, I'll just show you. I have just click and drag it. Alright, and it will be uploaded. Alright, so it's that simple. Okay. Alright, now moving on. Before continuing, before adding more elements, let me go to elements again and go to frames. There you go, frames. And I'm gonna select a type of frames. Why the purpose of selecting a frame is just like to make it more neat. Okay, and this is the purpose of inserting a logo. Let me just scale it a little bit big. Alright, and now let me go to my uploads and I'm gonna just drag. There you go. Alright, now let's add the text. So I'm gonna go to text, add a heading, click add the heading, go to text section and go add a heading, and Xiaomi, this is my wordings. Alright, and I'm gonna change the color to white. I'm gonna decrease the font size. So overall, you have to play around to get the perfect result for your project, for your design. Alright, now let me add another heading. Band 7. I'm gonna select again, and this time I'm gonna select a different color. Now I'm gonna add again a heading, and this time I'm gonna write price, select and change the color.